Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have unboxing for you, which is a KnitCrate January 2019. It is 24th of January and I got one box. Most of the time you could see me opening 3 at a time. I got one today and I'm going to open it because, let's face it, I just want to see what's inside. Quick reminder what the KnitCrate is, and it is a monthly subscription. They have 4 boxes, 2 their in-house brand, the other 2 artisan, which means they collaborate with indie dyers, so you can have a experience opening, seeing and knitting with yarn that you may not have a chance to knit with. And I had already many examples that I could. As I said, I live in Ireland and it's not the best to buy stuff from America when you have a bigger purchase. You need to not only pay big shipping but also big customs. Customs? You know what I'm talking about. With these, they come to your house, and so far so good. I haven't had to pay anything extra, although as I'm saying, I'm getting these boxes for free from KnitCrate as a thank you that I can open them in front of you, show you and knit with them and just enjoy them. Spoiled rotten. So now, I'm not sure what it is on the screen now. Maybe I'll show and take that time while I'm opening the box and show you if you're planning to purchase a KnitCrate box. Don't forget you can use KnitALongs, which gives you 20% for your first box for any of the subscriptions. So enjoy, and big thank you to KnitCrate for that. So what this presents. Ooh, I know from the first look at it that it is in-house yarn. And I'm getting one, so this is a KnitCrate membership. I got a beautiful blue, well, I'll tell you more. And with this crate you're getting also a beautiful booklet which should contain 1 sock pattern, but basically they also give you as an extra this year, so literally you're getting over here 3 patterns. 1 will be sock for the sock crate, another 2 will be for KnitCrate membership, so it's quite a teaser, but you get those patterns too, so if you have yarn in your stash you can knit stuff with it. Okay, let's check the yarn first. Right, so a little bit of a close-up, so this is how it looks. How do you like it? You could see the nice blue going into more aqua blue light, almost cloudy color, so that will knit up beautifully. This is Fidalana, and this one is Ambient Sock. Robin's Promise, that's the name, Robin's Promise. Over here we have 80% Peruvian Highland wool. Over here we have 80% Peruvian Highland wool, 20% nylon, fingering weight, 400 yards, 365 meters in 100 grams. So just in case. Okay, so check the screen, pause if you need to. This is it. And this is the yarn. Nice, it has that Highland feeling. Okay, let's browse through the magazine. Right, what do we have in the front? A beautiful cover, so you can see it. There is a teaser for February, so you can see it. Now, I opened first page and actually I read something that it might be interesting for you. This booklet comes with an ebook that you can download as a PDF file from KnitCrate. That's quite handy. For instance, for those who are using your phones or you're using pads or any device, electrical device that you kind of like to write patterns from your screen, not to have a physical paper with you. Okay, so what can I see over here? First thing, I see a Snuggle Up, and I presume this is one of the Crate's yarns. So check this out. Do you see it? Oh, glare. And I love her. I think that's a skirt. Beautiful. Then we have Luxe layers, and this is, I think it's a cowl. Presume this is a cowl. Anyway, it's a first impression of the magazine, so hard for me to find. And as you can see, what would you say? It's a cowl? I would say it's a cowl. Hard to say. Look at those colors. So there are 2 colors in January Crate. Those 2 or those 2, right? It's just 1 color. So either way, this is beautiful. Lately I have a thing for brown. You probably see what I'm knitting, right? Oh, if you're interested, Instagram, check down below. We have 2 designers, Jen and Tonya, and one designed, I think, pattern for the membership KnitCrate, and another one designed for the sock crate. And they're giving us some discounts for the other their patterns, so it's quite a good thing to look up if you're interested. And brands. So we have this beauty again, and yes, I should say about model, isn't she cute? And this, look at that, that's cute too. Oh, so just to let you know, this pattern is for 5mm. That's a crocheting. No way. Is that a crochet pattern? True. So cowl is a knitting pattern, and this is crocheting because it says hooks 5mm. Now, down below, write down who can crochet. So beautiful. And then, ooh, the beauty of the breed. Something different. Look at that. An article. So now, in this small article, they say that both KnitCrate sock membership and KnitCrate membership feature the Peruvian Highland wool, and this is I'll just read it, a specific sheep that's cross. It is a specific sheep cross that has cultivated from 2 highly popular breeds in South America: the Cardale medium wool sheep with a slightly weary hand adds straight, while Merino adds softness and fineness to this fleece. So we have Cardale and Merino, and we call it Peruvian wool, Highland wool. I learned something! Am I going to remember that? Finger crossed. And we have information, what kind of books will give you more information. And that's completely the best. So the one is this Knitter's Book of Wool by Clara Park. Okay, just the titles, okay? Written by Clara. The Knitter's Book of Wool. The other one is Fleece and Fiber Source Book by Carol and Deborah. And then Slow Knitting by Hannah. So they'll give you even a source where you can learn more. And we have the pattern. Ooh, that's quite nice. So now we're heading into the pattern for the sock crate, and it's called White Light. No, it's called Winter Light. So check it out. Now tell me, what do you think in regards to this? So you can see it, Winter Light. So I think that wasn't a skirt, that actually trousers. Now, US size 1. We have written instructions, but we also have charts. So now we have designers for the cowl and that hand warmer. And then for the and here is designer who designed lovely socks, winter light. So that's that. I hope you got your ones. It's 24th of January, so probably you did. Let me know, how do you like it? We're going to knit with it. What else I like in regards KnitCrate in-house yarn, you can mix it. Not only they have to be an in-house, because for instance this I knitted with KnitCrate yarn, and that was KnitCrate membership. I got 2 skeins of each color, and to knit this padlock pullover by Vicky Zahanovic on Ravelry, I used only 2 grey and one yellow, and that a yellow has cashmere in it, but the grey one has, I thing it had Peruvian Highland wool and it kind of holds it nice together. So here it is, so 3 skeins, and I was able to knit this. So the same thing with any fingering weight yarn that you can get from socks crate or with KnitCrate membership, although with the KnitCrate membership we do not know sometimes the weight of the yarn, which I mean thickness of the yarn, and I can give you a sneak peek and it will be, it looks like worsted, yes, it's Vidalana worsted, ambient worsted for the, and this is ambient sock, yeah. So we have sock, so fingering, weight, and KnitCrate membership worsted. So I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag knittingilove. Show me what you're knitting. All the links to KnitCrate information, Instagram, Ravelry group, all those things down below. So check them out. Have fun. And I hope to see you next one. Bye.